Good morning, students. Today, in chapter 3, Motion in Straight Line, we will see the topic Position Time Graph. In the position time graph, there are three cases. First is when a body is at rest. Second case is when a body in uniform motion. And the third case is when a body in non-uniform motion. So first we draw the graph of the first case when a body is at rest. Now see here, for making this graph we have to take two axes, x-axis and y-axis. The x-axis we will put time here, and in y-axis we will put position. At y-axis position. Now see here, for example, it is the time. In this time the position of that object is here. If we will increase the time, we will increase the time here, again the position will be the same. Why? Because the body is at rest at the same place. If we increase the time here again, then again the position will be same. For increasing more time, again the position will be the same, and for the more time again the position will be same. So if we join all this dot, what we will have? We will have a straight line along the x-axis. So it is the pattern of the graph when a body is at rest. Now see, when a body in uniform motion. In uniform motion, again we will take the two axes. Here we are having time, and in y-axis we are having position. For time t is equals to 0, it is here. If we will increase the time, the body will move and cover some position in uniform motion. What do you mean by uniform motion? In uniform motion, a body travel equal distance in equal interval of time. Now see, if we will increase more time, again the position will also increase. Again if we will increase the more time, the position will also increase. Then what pattern we are having? We are having linearly increasing pattern. So see, like this, if we will having 0 here, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour and 4 hour, and time will be in hour. And again here the distance 0, 10 kilometer, 20 kilometer, 30 kilometer, 40 kilometer, and the position will be in kilometers. And here again 0, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour and 4 hour, and the time will be in hour. And here the position will be in kilometer. Again here 10 kilometer, here 20 kilometer, and here 30 kilometer. Just see here, for initially it is having here, for 1 hour it will travel 10 kilometer. If uniform motion, then that means equal distance in equal time. Then again in the next 1 hour it will also cover next 10 kilometers. In next 1 hour it will also cover next 10 kilometer. What pattern we are having? We are having linearly increasing pattern. Similarly see, when a body in non-uniform motion. In non-uniform motion, again you have to write time here, position here, here time 0, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 10 kilometer, 20 kilometer, 30 kilometer. Here we don't have any fixed pattern, because in non-uniform motion the body can cover unequal distance in unequal interval of time. So first 1 hour, for example, it will cover 10 kilometers here. Next 1 hour again it will cover 30 kilometer, and next 1 hour again it will cover 10 kilometers. So the pattern will be like that. So it is not a linear pattern. In non-uniform motion any pattern can be happen, but in uniform motion linearly increasing pattern. And when a body is at rest, this parallel to the x-axis pattern will be formed. In the next topic that we will see is velocity time graph. In velocity time graph, again in the x-axis we are having time, in the y-axis we are having velocity and zero acceleration when a body is moving with uniform velocity. What do you mean by uniform velocity? Uniform velocity means velocity will be same. Uniform velocity means velocity will be same. All the time the value of velocity will be same, so it is also called zero acceleration. So when the velocity will be same, what it will happen, see here, for example it is 0 for 1 hour, for when a body is in moving with uniform velocity means velocity will be same. So see here, at the zero time, for example the velocity will be 10 kilometer per hour. In the next 1 hour again the velocity will be 10 kilometer per hour. Again for next 1 hour again the velocity will be 10 kilometer per hour. Again next 1 hour the velocity will be 10 kilometer per hour. So what pattern we are having here? The pattern will be straight line parallel to the x-axis. So such type of pattern will be there for uniform velocity. Now uniformly increasing, the body is moving with acceleration, and here acceleration means uniformly increasing. Uniformly increasing, for example in the first hour the velocity will be 10 km per hour. Initially 0 in the first hour, the velocity will be 10 km per hour. In the next 1 hour the velocity will increase 10, so it become 20. Next 1 hour the velocity will increase 10, it become 30. So what pattern we are having? We are having such type of linearly increasing pattern for acceleration. Now it is for retardation. Third case what we will see, that is retardation. In retardation the speed will reduce, so initially at 0 it will having at 30. In next 1 hour it will reduce to 20. In next 1 hour it will reduce to 10. So such type of graph, linearly decreasing velocity pattern will be drawn for when a body for retardation. Retardation means negative acceleration. What do you mean retardation? That means negative acceleration, and acceleration means positive acceleration. So in positive acceleration the velocity will increase, and in negative acceleration velocity will decrease. Thank you. In the next video we will start our next chapter, chapter number 4. Thank you. Be safe at home.